If you're getting bored with the same old hamburger or cheeseburger, then you are not going to want to miss this video. Keep watching. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, I am getting tired of eating the same old hamburger. So I thought I would try something different. So I just went out on Pinterest and was doing a search, and I came across this recipe. It is from Two Peas and Their Pod, and I'm going to put that on the screen right here. I will link the recipe in the description box of this video, so you can go click on it. Please share, spread the love. It is called Chipotle Burgers, and y'all know we love our Mexican. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and make this for dinner tonight. Hubby is on board, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make this. So I'm gonna turn the camera down. We're gonna go over all the ingredients, and then we'll go ahead. There is a sauce and ingredients that go in the burger, so it's two separate things we'll be putting together. So let me stop talking, show you the ingredients, and then we'll go ahead and get started and make the sauce first, and then we'll go ahead and make up the burgers. Here I have some sour cream. That's gonna be part of the sauce. Some butter. I'm gonna be using that on the rolls to grill the rolls. I have pepperjack cheese, lime juice, some smoked paprika, also some whole chili peppers in adobo sauce. I have some artisan hamburger rolls, kosher salt, granulated garlic or garlic powder, some black pepper, some cumin, onion powder. I have a avocado and a pound of ground beef. So this is all the ingredients that I will be using. You can also add lettuce, tomato. I think I'll probably add some red onion to this on mine because I do like onion. So I'll probably add red onion too, but you can add lettuce and tomato. I'm not big with that on my sandwich, but I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. So here are the ingredients. All right, so we're going to be making the sauce up, the Chipotle sauce. It said that you can use Greek yogurt, mayo, or sour cream. I'm going to use sour cream. I have the lime juice. We're going to be using some of the sauce from the Chipotle peppers, the smoked paprika, and a little bit of kosher salt. So let me turn the camera down. We'll go ahead and put it together real quick. All right, we're going to go ahead and put in our sour cream. Okay. All right. That's in. I'm going to go ahead and add in the lime juice. I'm just using this instead of fresh lime, but you can use fresh lime if you want. Okay, and then we're going to add in some of the sauce. I'm going to go ahead put these out over here. So we're going to chop these up. Okay. All right, so we're going to do 2 teaspoons. 1 and 2. And then we're going to do some smoked paprika. Oops. Oh my, I'm always dropping. Do you guys ever notice that? Alrighty. And then we're just going to add a little bit of kosher salt for taste. Okay. And then, where's my handy dandy whisk? We're going to go ahead and whisk this together. Oh, try not to splash the sauce on you. I'm almost thinking the fork would be better than this to start. Ooh, it smells good. Let's do Let's do this. Yeah, much better. Okay, use my little spatula and get all that goodness down. Okay. So this is going to go on our burgers. It's going to be so good. I can see it coming. Woohoo! I'm excited. The smell, it's strong. Let's do a quick little taste. I'm surprised. It's not, oh, there's the kick I was expecting. You can definitely taste the lime. But I was expecting to be like, kick your butt hot, but it's not. But you can definitely taste the heat afterwards. All right, so let's put that aside. All right. All right, so our sauce is made. So we're good with that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mix up the hamburgers. I have my ground beef in here. I did take a little bit out from my son for one hamburger because I know he won't eat this. So I'll probably cut back on the ingredients just a smidgen, just because I don't have a full pound of ground beef. But like I said, the recipe will definitely be linked below. So let's turn the camera down and get these hamburgers made. All right, so I have my ground beef here, and we're gonna go ahead and put in, I have 2 peppers put aside here. I'm gonna chop them up last so I don't have to keep running back and forth and washing my hands. So I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of the adobe sauce in here. And I will go ahead and freeze this. So I'll have it for another time. And we're going to add, make sure I have some garlic powder, or onion powder, excuse me. Add some garlic powder. Okay. Then we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of cumin. I am cutting back a little bit on this. Cumin is one of my least, oh, thank goodness I didn't have that on anything. Cumin is one of my least favorite. So I am cutting back just a tad on this for what it calls for. Okay. And then we're just going to add a little bit of kosher salt and, oh, wrong end. Some black pepper. Okay. And then I'm going to switch out here and put this to the side. I'm going to go ahead and just chop up my peppers. Just gonna cut these up really, really fine. You don't want big chunks of those. Okay. And then we're gonna go ahead and bring this over and just add it all in. Okay. And then we're gonna go ahead and just mix this all up. Alrighty, let's mix this together. I'm gonna mix these. I'm making these about a half an hour before we're gonna cook them because I want the flavors just, you know, to get through all of the meat. And then we're gonna put them out on the grill, toast those buns. Let's go ahead and just mix this up really, really well. Smells delicious, so I think they're gonna be good. All right, so I'm just gonna do 3 balls real quick to make sure they're all the same size. Actually, these might be way too big. Yeah, I'm probably gonna be able to get 4, I think. All right, take some from there, put it on there. Yeah, we probably can get 4. All right, so let's go ahead and Make out our patties. Well, can you see the peppers in there? Yum. There we have it. We've got 4 patties. I'm gonna wrap it, put it in the fridge, and then I'll come back when we're ready to grill. Alrighty. So I am gonna go ahead and put some butter on the rolls. I'll get them ready for grilling. I have myself some pepperjack cheese. Y'all. I swear. I have some pepperjack cheese on my tray here. I'm going to put on the hamburgers when we put them on the grill. Alright. Alrighty. Let's head on outside and get these hamburgers started. All right, they're going on the grill.
I can ask you to remember them. Like the nurse says, it's mild. You can't, it's not horrible.
All right, my friends, so they are done. Here we go. My roll is nice and toasty. Put my burger right on there. On a little bit of onion. Oh, my avocado. Oh, that's got a nice kick to it. Just, all right. And then we're gonna go ahead and cut it and see what it looks like and give it a taste test. All right, my friends, here it is. Let's do a quick taste test. That's good. Spicy a little. Oh, it's got a good kick to it, huh? All right, my friends, that'll do it for today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button. And please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. Friends, thanks so much. I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.